While our financial overview delivers a bird's-eye view solvency-wise, it doesn't project the entire due diligence picture. Running an operation focused on minimizing debt or scaling credit to cash requires a complete financial perspective. As a universal business intelligence provider, Global Database covers due diligence requirements, delivering both ad hoc reports and system integrations via API, an aspect we'll cover in another thread. For now, we'll explore the credit risk section, one of the many Global Database due diligence gateways designed to perform creditworthiness checks on individual stakeholders. To ensure a complete due diligence record, the report features credit scores, recommended credit limits, court judgment and charges, up to 5 years of full financials, plus an entire X-ray of the stakeholders' assets. To obtain the report, click for the Unlock for One Credit button. Hit Download and enter your preferred payment option if you don't have one on file. Once processed, you will receive a download link for your credit report via email. If for some reason you've lost your file, don't worry. Once generated, the report remains on file within the credit risk section for you to explore it at a later time. To check the report's content, ask for a sample on our Contact Us page and we'll provide it promptly.